Chiki Art! Hey, let's draw and colour in a turtle. We're going to have loads of fun with this. You start by drawing the shell, which is sort of a semicircle, then the head, a nice big eye, colouring in the pupil, a smiley mouth. Let's do the legs and the tail, some toes, and the pattern on the shell. Some sort of hexagonal shapes going on there and a couple of rectangles too. Some triangles. Right, now let's darken up the border to make those lovely colours stand out. Ooh, this is going to look really cool, I can already tell. Okay, starting with orange for the main body of the shell, so we're just using a colouring pen here, but you can use paint or whatever you wish. And we're going around the shapes. We will do those in a minute. Excellent. Did you know that turtles live all over the world? They can be found in many different climates. Some of them live on land and some in the sea, and some live on both. Let's do purple for the first shape. And pink for the next one. So we're going to do a multicoloured shell. Ooh, it's going to look so cool. Red next. Turtles are some of the oldest animals around. If you've never had a turtle, you might not know just how long their lifespans can be. In general, turtles evolved millions of years ago, and as such, they are among the oldest groups of reptiles. As pets, certain species of turtle can live to be 10 years old or even 150 years old. That's right. So we've got a lovely rainbow multicoloured shell here, and now we're going for a lime green for the face and body. I am loving this fantastic array of bright colours. Have fun with your turtle. You can do any pattern you like on the shell, why not? You could do spirals, hearts, stars. We're going for blue legs. And some yellow toes. I'm loving this. Good job. Hey kids, do you fancy drawing and painting a sparkly fox with me? You do? Brilliant! Let's start by doing a little bow in her hair. Outline of the head, the eyes and nose and other facial features, and the ears, they're kind of triangles, circle eyes, some eyelashes. If you want, you can pause this video and just copy it bit at a time. We're doing the paws and legs, a sort of round body, and the back feet with the tummy, and the tail, let's not forget the tail. Darkening up the border. There you go. So it's pretty easy to draw a fox. Like I said, just pause the video and do it a bit at a time. Ready to paint. We're going for a pink for the hair bow. Same colour on each side. Lovely. How about green in the middle? And a bronze colour for the outside of the ears and the main part of the fox. It's kind of bronze or sparkly orange if you like. There we go. Excellent. Let's go for a pale yellow, goldy tint. It's going to go on the inner ear and the inside of the face, around the facial features. Very carefully painting around those eyes and cheeks and nose and mouth. Excellent. The other ear too. Super cute. Pink for the cheeks. Black nose and a red tongue. Let's go back to our pale gold colour for the end of the tail and the tummy. And I think we'll go back to our bronzy orange for the rest. That's it. It's super easy. You don't need too many different colours. Just the colour of a fox. Take your time and Bob's your uncle. Should we give our fox a name? What name should we give her? How about Fiona the fox? No? Okay, how about Felicity Fox? Well, whatever she's called, she's absolutely gorgeous. Well done, kids. You did a great job. G'day, mate. We're going to make a koala picture today. Yeah, did you know that koalas live in Australia? Let's start with the eyes and the nose and the mouth. Face. And the ears. They're a bit fluffy around the edge. Next we go for the body. And the legs and feet. Where will our koala be? How about sitting in a tree? That's what they do. They live in the trees and sit and eat the leaves. That's right. So we're drawing some leaves on our branch. Darkening up the border. That's it. You can use the same black marker pen, going over it a couple of times to make it dark, or a thick one. Right, it's time to paint. Starting with blue. Ooh, we love a bit of blue. Outer ears first. And some pink. Yeah, inside. Brilliant. Going back to our blue for the face. I think we'll do most of our koala blue because I love this colour. You can, of course, do it any colour you like. Koalas are very often grey. Black nose. Lovely. Little bit of silver for the area around the mouth. Red tongue. Pink inside the mouth. Let's go for blue for the rest of the body. Cute little arms hanging onto the tree there. Let's just go for silver on the belly. Back to blue for the legs. Brilliant. We're almost done with this koala. That's how easy it is. Going for brown for our branch. And green, of course, for the leaves. Gorgeous. And there you have it. Wow, an amazing blue sparkly koala sitting in the tree. Woohoo!
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!